Hello and welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another delicious Diwali special sweet recipe from the Konkani cuisine. We will be seeing how to prepare Puran Poli. To prepare this recipe, few of the ingredients that we require would be 3/4 cup of chana dal, 1 cup of regular sugar, 2 cup of maida or all-purpose flour, 1 to 2 tablespoons of ghee to prepare the puran, 1/4 teaspoon of elaichi or cardamom powder, a pinch of salt, and finally a pinch of turmeric powder for the color. Firstly, to begin with, take a mixing bowl and into that transfer the chana dal. Wash and soak this well for minimum 2 to 3 hours before further use. Now transfer the soaked chana dal into a pressure cooker and add 1 cup of water. Close this with a lid and pressure cook this for minimum 4 to 5 whistles in low to medium flame or until it is soft and mushy. Once the pressure is down, open the pressure cooker and we can see that the chana dal is nicely cooked, it's soft and mushy. Now allow this to cool down completely in room temperature before further use. Once the chana dal has cooled down completely in room temperature, take a mixer jar and into that transfer the cooked chana dal and 1 cup of sugar and grind this into a fine paste. Next, take a thick bottom kadai and into that add 2 to 3 tablespoons of homemade ghee, and once the ghee is hot enough, transfer the prepared chana dal puree into it. Lower the flame to low to medium and keep stirring this continuously until it is of the consistency of a soft dough. You can stop for the cooking once it starts separating from the kadai, and finally into this add the elaichi or cardamom powder and give everything a good mix. Once done, transfer this immediately into a plate or tray and allow this to cool down completely in room temperature. Now the puran or the inner stuffing is ready. You can prepare this previously and store this for 2 to 3 days in refrigerator and prepare puran poli as and when required, or you can even use this immediately after cooling down. Next, take another mixing bowl and into that transfer 2 cup of maida, a pinch of salt, turmeric powder, and give all the dry ingredients a good mix using your hands. Next, into this add water little by little and prepare a tight dough. Once your dough is ready, into this apply half teaspoon of homemade ghee and knead it once again. Now cover this and allow this to rest for another 30 minutes before further use. After resting, knead it once again and next take small portions out of it and prepare small balls out of the prepared dough. Next, take the puran and prepare small balls out of it as well, and make sure that the size of the puran ball is smaller than that of the maida one. Once everything is prepared, set it aside and next take a maida ball and slightly flatten it and thin the sides with the help of your fingers as shown in the video. Now place the inner stuffing or the puran, cover it and pinch the center. Once your puran poli is prepared, dust both the sides well with the maida or all-purpose flour and roll it thin with the help of a rolling pin. Now our puran poli is ready. Make sure it is of the thickness as shown in the video. Next, take a tawa and once it's hot enough, lower the flame to low to medium and transfer the puran poli into it. Flip and cook so that it's uniformly cooked and cook in low to medium flame so that it's cooked in the insides as well. Now apply ghee generously on both the sides and cook this in low to medium flame until it is nice and crispy. Now our puran poli is ready. You can prepare the rest of the puran poli as well in the similar way. You can serve this along with some homemade ghee So do try this recipe at home during this Diwali season and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe to Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.